Very good morning to all the students who have just now cleared 12th standard across the country. Some of the 12th standard state results are still awaited, and especially Karnataka results were already declared last week, and it was a very good results. And the most important thing is after +2, then all the students who have opted for commerce would like to have highest qualification in commerce. And if in case you really think that highest qualification in commerce is chartered accountancy or cost accountancy or company secretary course, I'm here to talk about the chartered accountancy course in this video. Especially in just 10 minutes, I'll give you the latest details exactly is what related to chartered accountancy course. The CA course in India, one of the lucrative statutory qualification in India since 1949. This course has been introduced, and this course is known for high standards of accounting profession. CA generally takes care of taxation, accounting, financial management, and auditing, etc. You must have heard about, the moment you hear about the word CA, you must have heard about auditor, etc. But auditor is just one function of the chartered accountant in India. This course is a statutory qualification. Especially I'm talking to the students who just passed 10th, 12th standard, and you are still in confusion as to which course is the better course. In this video, I'm not going to talk about which course is the better course. If you have already decided that, or you have heard about chartered accountancy course, this video is for you. So in CA, we have got 3 levels. One is a CA foundation, second one is a CA intermediate, third one is CA final. I repeat, CA foundation is the first level, which is basically taken up by the students who have passed 12th standard, though you are eligible to register for this course after 10th standard, but you can actually write the exam, that is first level, that is foundation, only after passing 12th standard. So if you have already decided that chartered accountancy is one of the best course, and you have decided to become an auditor, or you want to become a tax consultant, you want to become a stockbroker, or stockbroking consultancy, etc. If you want to get into Indian statutory highest commerce qualification, then you are in a right place today. So as I said, foundation is something which is the first level of CA course, and this course usually, if you look at I'm on ICAI prospectus. I'm showing you this ICAI prospectus. If you have seen it, fine. If you have not seen it, okay, just see it once. www.ica.org is the website of institute which is providing CA course. So foundation course, clearly it says it's an entry level. It's an entry level CA course. Generally 10th pass students can register for this course. I repeat, 10th pass students can register for this course. But however, if you wish to write CA foundation exam, you must have given 12th standard, and 12th standard ke baad you can write this. That means it says appear for foundation exam in class 12th examination and qualify foundation exam, then you will be eligible for CA intermediate. Boys and girls, I want to tell you one very important thing. This is not an easy course. If anybody start telling you, you come from science, you come from commerce, you come from any group. These days I hear some people saying that you come from any course, you can just like that clear. I'm not saying people could not clear CA coming from science background. I'm not saying people could not clear CA coming from arts background, but it varies from student to student. You can't simply come to a conclusion that just because somebody came from science background, he or she could become CA, so I will also become CA. No, you need to, before you start taking up this course, first you check yourself whether you have that passion to become chartered accountant or not, whether you could show up the level of patience to sit long hours and attend classes, long hours and study and write a lot of exams, etc. If you decide this, then definitely yes, you are a right candidate for this. So do not go by somebody's words. Even if I say also CA is very good, no doubt CA is definitely a good chartered accountancy course, is one of the most lucrative course, no doubt about it. But are you really capable of doing it? how to test it. Come for a counseling to Briggs Academy. We are from Bangalore. You come to our academy. I will personally sit with you and counsel you. This counseling will definitely help you, because this counseling, this in just 10 minutes, I can't tell you why you need to choose a CA course. So coming to the point, in CA level, there are three levels. One is CA Foundation, second one is CA Intermediate, third one is CA Final. Usually after CA Intermediate, you have to undergo 2 years articleship training. Okay, so if you look at generally what happens is, once you got registered, at least 8 months, you have to undergo training. Maybe you study on your own or join coaching centers like us or anybody. It depends on you, but make sure you choose the right coaching center, because in CA foundation level, since it is entry level exam, fundamentals are going to be tested. So to test fundamentals, you have to undergo a lot of rigorous training practice, and also a lot of mock exams and exams, etc., etc. That is very, very important. Once you choose the right coaching center, that is going to decide the pattern. Because I am in this industry last 28 years teaching economics and law. That means in CA foundation, half of the papers I handle at my center, that is Briggs Academy. Okay, we have that expertise in even accounts faculty and other QT faculty also. Almost last 10-15 years they are there in the field. So we will give you the best coaching, no doubt about it. But end of the day, that is your choice. You have to come sit with us and have a counseling, then decide whether you can do it or not. Based on that, then get yourself registered and start. Because don't jump into this course without knowing the pros and cons. That is very, very important. But 100% I'm telling you, don't also think that you can't do it, because there is something that you need to improve. If you could improve 101%, you may achieve anything. So every course requires certain qualities from the student. Similarly, chartered accountancy also requires certain qualities from the student. We will tell you what qualities you need to have. We will also tell you how to overcome those deficiencies that you have. Once you know your weaknesses and once you know your strengths, then you have to minimize weaknesses and strengthen strengths, so that you will be right candidate for this course. Just because your friend has joined for CA course or somebody else has joined for CA course, don't do it, because it's very, very, because results are not so good. I'm telling you, because CA course results will be around 15 to 20%. At foundation level, maybe around 30%. But even out of 100 students, 30 students only are clearing. That means course is difficult and tough. But there might be certain techniques that being a student you have to eliminate them, and there might be certain things that you have to do, there might be certain things you have to minimize. So once you start having that counseling, you will definitely be able to crack this course. Because I have made so many thousands of students in my total career of 28 years in this teaching. So definitely we will give you proper guidance when it comes to this. Briggs Academy is located in Bangalore, Malleshwaram. If in case you would like to reach us, visit our website. You will find the contact number and contact us. So coming to CA Foundation, what are the subjects? I just want to briefly tell you what are the subjects. Coming to Foundation, what are the subjects? Okay, here I'm on ICA website only. Beta, if you have cleared 12th standard, you're eligible to write the exam. That means when you have given 12th standard, definitely you can write the exam. By the time you get the CA Foundation pass certificate, you should also have 12th pass certificate if you want to register yourself for inter level, that is second level. So here, this video, I want to focus only on CA Foundation. All right. CA Foundation, usually coaching would take for about 5 months. 4 subjects we have, 5 months it would take. How many months? 5 months. And after 5 months, if you sit at home and study and write some mock exams for about 1 month study, 1 month mock exams, if you do, 101% results are guaranteed. Usually what happens, students will take this exam like a degree exam. When the exam date is announced, they start reading. Otherwise, last minute, 10 days, 15 days, they start reading. So that pressure you cannot hold, because the speciality of CA course is the syllabus is very huge. So covering that syllabus line to line, paragraph to paragraph, and page by page is very, very difficult. So it takes a lot of time. So once you have the time, then definitely you will be able to understand the concept. And moreover, they don't simply ask direct questions. A lot of subjects, they will be trying to test your fundamental understanding. So case law questions, example oriented questions like this. So they practically think about it and ask questions. They don't ask what is this, why is this, etc. Okay, so the examination pattern will be different. So they try to test your personality, they try to test your patience, they try to test your concept skills. So there are 4 subjects. Paper 1 is accountancy. that is 100 marks. It is purely descriptive. If you want to clear this paper, you have to get at least 40 marks out of 100. Paper 2, you have got business law. We have got 100 marks paper. So this is also 100% descriptive. If you want to clear this paper, you have to get 40 marks. Then we have paper 3rd, quantitative aptitude. The moment when we talk about quantitative aptitude, you, especially the students coming from non-maths background, they will decide, okay, sir, I don't want to do a CA course. No, don't worry. Boys and girls, I'm telling you, don't worry, because you look at the subject. In quantitative aptitude, we have got business mathematics for about 40 marks, and logical reasoning for about 20 marks, and statistics for about 40 marks. So maths is for 40 marks, logical reasoning is for 20 marks, and statistics is for 40 marks. And this paper, luckily, is an MCQ question, but carrying 0.25 negative marking. That means ABCD options will be given, and you have to choose one of the best option. And if in case you don't know the answer, better don't answer, because if you answer unnecessarily, you will forego a penalty of 0.25. That means a question is wrong means 1.25. One question is gone, 0.25 is also gone. So 1.25 will be the loss of marks when you make a wrong attempt of any question. Instead, if you don't attempt a question, definitely no minus, no plus marks. So if in case you are a student coming from non-maths background, or once you pass 10th standard 100%, you must have got some basic maths. Even in maths basics, 40 marks, 20 marks syllabus, a student who passed 10th class, I'm telling you, can easily manage. If in case you don't want to manage also, don't worry. Logical reasoning is a subject which anybody can understand. And statistics is something which is very important in our life, and that can be understood very easily. So statistics 40 marks and logical reasoning 20 marks. If you focus 101% out of 60, you can easily score 40 to 45 and clear this paper without even attempting one question in mathematics, provided you don't guess. Suppose out of 40 marks statistics and 20 marks logical reasoning, if you have attempted 50, correct 50, then you might get 50. So only problem is, just because you are familiar with the question, don't try to answer the question. Okay, that we will guide you, and we'll conduct a lot of exams at Bricks Academy. We will guide you and assist you exactly how to eliminate this what you call negative marks and everything. The 4th important paper in CA foundation level, we have something called business economics. Business economics is also for 100 marks. This is also MCQ based question. A question is given to you, 4 options would be given to you. Here also, if you commit a mistake, you will have a negative marking of 0 to 0.25. Okay, so paper 3, paper 4 is MCQ based question. Paper 1, paper 2 is descriptive questions. Usually what happens, let us understand these 4. Just 2 more minutes, I'll close this. Okay, in this video, I want to tell you only these 2. So first important thing is, in every subject, you have to score 40 marks. In every subject, you have to score 40 marks. At the same time, aggregate out of 400, you have to secure 200 to pass this exam. I repeat, maybe in all the subjects you got 40, 40, 40, 160, you are still not passed. Overall aggregate has to be at least 200. That means if in case you got 60 marks in accountancy, you got some 70 marks in business economics, then law and QT, since they are new subjects or difficult subjects, or maybe such cases, you can definitely compensate. So to pass the paper, you have to score 40, and to pass the level, this foundation level, you have to get aggregate how much? 200, 50% of 400. Remember one thing, suppose I got in all the subjects 50-50, but in one subject I got 30, so I failed in one subject. You might be thinking, okay, I will write only this subject again. No. Foundation level rule is very simple. But if you fail in one subject, that is less than 40, even though you got 210, 220, 225 also aggregate, you are still failed in all the subjects. That means you have to take up all the papers once again. This is one very important critical thing in CA. If you fail in one subject, you will have to write all the subjects again. The next important thing is, therefore, what you're supposed to do, accountancy is the core subject for chartered accountant. If you are not liking accountancy, 100%, you don't have a passion to become CA. You don't have that flavor to become CA. You don't have that ability to become CA. Trust me, if you're not able to score at least 60, 65 in accountancy, 101%, there's a serious issue. Either you learned your basics wrong, otherwise you're not interested in the CA course. The other 3 subjects, I'm telling you, they are subsidiary subjects in your course. You just have to pass them. But accountancy is a core subject. And first level, second level, third level, you are supposed to have knowledge in accountancy only. How can you score less? You can't. At least in that subject, since it's a core subject, 60 to 70 marks you have to score. Yes, one of my student scored even 97 marks in accountancy. Business economics at BRICS 93 marks this year, highest we got. Law 98 we got. That means there are students who are scoring above 90 also in the professional courses. And the next important, law is also core subject, because law will not leave you. In foundation level, law is there, inter level law is there, final level also law is there. In fact, in your regular profession, once you become chartered accountant, law plays a pivotal role, no doubt about it. The other two subjects, knowledge is important, and they're basically the subjects which are mainly meant for filtration. That's why they're also MCQ subjects. So boys and girls, if in case you are serious about CA course and you are not in a position to decide whether to do or not to do, you still have so many questions, please do come to me. With my experience, I will give you proper guidance and counseling and help you to choose the better course. In professional courses, there are three highest statutory qualifications in India. One is chartered accountancy, second one is cost accountancy, third one is company secretary. Each one has its own importance. So don't think that CA, CMA is less than CA or CA. Maybe in terms of salaries that could be there, in terms of roles, definitely CA will play a key role in the companies, no doubt about it. Nobody can deny this, but each one has its own. But when you have decided mentally whether CA to take or not to take, if you still have any opinion or something, any doubts you have, please do come to us. We are located at Karnataka, Bangalore, BRICS Academy, Malleshwaram. Otherwise, you go to our website and call us. We will assist you. This is Babu Raipuri, Director of BRICS Academy. All the very best. Take care. Anything, do call us. God bless you.